A good informative plot must be clear, accurate, and concise, communicating its message efficiently. Essential properties include appropriate chart choice, precise labels for axes and title, and minimal visual clutter. Data representation must be truthful, avoiding distortion.
To illustrate, using Python, we load the tips dataset. We'll visualize the total_bill column. A histogram is ideal for showing its distribution.
We'd generate it with a descriptive title, distribution of total bill amounts, and label axes, total bill, dollar, and frequency. This plot quickly reveals bill trends, demonstrating clarity and effective communication. This code snippet first imports the necessary libraries. Pandas for data handling, though Seaborn, load_dataset directly returns a data frame. Seaborn for high-level statistical plotting, and Matplotlib, pyplot for plot customization. It then loads the tips dataset, a common dataset for demonstrating data visualization, and selects the total_bill column as our focus.
This column represents the total amount of the bill in a restaurant. Next, a histogram is created using Seaborn histplot to visualize the distribution of the total_bill column.
We set explicit bins for a clear view of data frequency ranges, and KDE equals true to overlay a kernel density estimate, which smoothly approximates the data's probability density. Customizations such as a descriptive title, clear axis labels, specific font sizes, and a subtle grid are added using Matplotlib pyplot functions to enhance the plot's clarity, accuracy, and overall aesthetic appeal. The generated histogram clearly demonstrates the distribution of total bill amounts, with most bills falling in the lower dollar range and a tail extending to higher amounts, indicating the plot's accuracy in representing data. Its clarity is high due to the bold title, descriptive axis labels, and legible fonts. The use of distinct bars for frequency and an overlaid KDE curve provides relevance by showcasing the bill amount patterns with minimal clutter, appropriate colors, and a helpful grid. The plot is both concise and aesthetically pleasing, effectively communicating insights about dining expenses without being overwhelming.